Hello everyone, I hope you're well. So excited for this video. This is my Christmas gift unboxing video. I wish you a very Merry Christmas. I hope everything went well. You had a lovely time in family or with friends. And I hope you were gifted a lot as you deserve to be. I'm very excited. I'm going to show you what's inside and the story behind it because there is, of course, a story. Let's start first with this cutie. It was not planned. This one is a gift from me to me. And I had this box. It was not the original box. You'll see why. This is something that I bought in auctions. So I'm quite excited. And I had such a good fair price because you'll see why. So as you can see, these are loafers from Louis Vuitton. I'm super excited. They are brand new, never used. And they are from the uniforms. It means it's the loafers they have in store normally for employees of Louis Vuitton. And you're not supposed to resell them. Like they're not supposed to be on the markets. It's not right normally, but they were auction time. And my mom was actually on the auction and she contacted me. She said, oh, I know you want loafers. I saw these ones. Do you want them? And I was like, oh my God, okay, let's me connect. And so I got connected on the auctions and I got them for very cheap. I think like around 200 something. And then you need to add the percentage of the sale. So it was a very good deal, very good price. But of course, it's uniform. You cannot buy them normally the retail price or a high price because they are uniforms. You had them mentioned here. They are so great. They are new, of course. You had the Louis Vuitton logo here, but it's very little. So this is what I like about them. They're like chic, elegant, timeless. I was afraid a little bit at first here because they look very strong, you know, but they are like good quality. I've tried this is a perfect size. I've taken 37.5. So these are the one that looks very comfy. I've tried them and they fit perfectly. It's super comfy inside. I was a little bit shocked because usually like uniform shoes and clothing are not as good as the things they sell online or in store. But these ones look great. Look at the sole. Even inside it's leather and etc. It looks very comfy. I'm just afraid here. We'll see how it goes, but these are the first ones that I got from Louis Vuitton and they look super comfy, so I'm very excited. Do you like them? What do you think about it? And also comment below what you had for Christmas, even if it's not luxury. Let me know if you got gifted, what did you add, and what you're planning to buy if you got like money or whatever. Now, baby here. So it was not planned at all. I was in south of France with my family and Vincent. We were in south of France because Vincent is also a yacht consultant. So he has his Instagram. I will put you here. So if you're looking for charter or buy or sell a boat, he's your guy. Okay, he's very good at his job. And so we also launched the digital company related to this area. And I'm helping Vincent on it. So if you are in need for a digital agency, digital help, strategy-wise, community management-wise, marketing, planning, website-wise, this is what we do best. You can see our networks. This is what we love to do, and we'd be happy to help you or some friends. So if you hear about yourself, around yourself, don't hesitate. We speak English, French, Spanish, and we'll be very happy to help you. Voila. So we were in Cannes for the Cannes Yachting Festival. Of course, Vincent was there. This is a very important fair for the yacht industry. And we went to Dior with my family, mom and cousin, because my cousin loves Dior and she lives in Cannes. So the new collection was out and we had a meeting with her advisor. So excited. So I've been trying a few bags actually that day, and all are the same. Like even in Barcelona now, because I live in Barcelona now, even if I'm French, I used to try a lot and I always dreamed to have my own. I have a little one here, but I bought it pre-loved. I always told myself I will only buy this type of bag pre-loved. But this time it's very different, and I've been trying. My dad was also in the room because we had like kind of a private room, and we were trying things. And I see my mom and my dad like laughing and speaking it to each other. I was like, what's happening? It's weird. They're like a little bit too happy and a little bit too, you know, organizing some little surprise. And I know them. And I was like, what's happening? Like, and they would not want to tell me. So I was like, what's happening? And my dad looks at me and say, like, which one do you want? I was trying 2 bags. Which one do you want? I was like, I don't know. I love them both, but it's not for now. I don't have the full budget for now. So it will be probably for next year. And it was like, no, I'm serious. What bag do you prefer? I was like, I don't know. And it's like, no, because we want you to choose. I was like, why? It was like, we want you to gift you because this year you had such a strong year. It was very intense. You worked your ass off. It's been more than 2 years now. Because with Vincent, we have this company where we sell pre-loved luxury bags and the digital agency plus some other things. And we work 24/7, like Monday to Monday from 7 a.m. Well, for me, it's more 8, 9 until like 11 midnight every single day. Like especially December is crazy, guys. I'm a little bit tired right now, but it's worth it. It's worth it. So we work a lot, and my parents were so nice. I was crying in the store. I was so shocked. It's one of the best material gifts they offered to me. I was completely under shock, and it was not even my birthday, not even Christmas. So I told them like it will make a perfect gift for Christmas and probably my birthday anyway, because this is such a bag. I was not expecting. And I'm forever grateful. This will be something very sentimental. Let's open now. I'm still like a little bit like emotional because this is such a great one and I was not expecting this at all. Okay, so I had it for 2 months now and I did not open the box yet. I've just waited for Christmas for opening this bag. So let's do it. So the packaging at Dior is still like so freaking cute. So let's see what's inside. So you have the paper, you have everything. I have my invoice and I have like the dust bag and yes, you can see what's inside. It's brand new, it still has a sticker. The light doesn't give much, like for real, the light is ugly. So you can't see properly the color. I will try to take a photo of it. It's a beige matte champagne hardware. I love it. It's my little baby. I'm so excited. I have a mirror here and it fits everything. This is the color. This is why I decided to go with this one. I was also hesitating with a Lady Dejoy in black or in gray blue. But this one has my heart because it's beige and because it's so easy and chic to wear. I had the strap that is here that would be perfect. This is a mini version. I mean, come on, this is so beautiful. I will try to take the picture or the video here or here for you to see the proper color because right now you don't see it very properly. But this is the Christmas gift I got. Well, this is such a bag. It will fit with all my outfits that are down below, link in the description, of course. And I will also put you my website in case you're looking for something. I got lots of things pre-loved in my own personal collection. And come on, this will go perfectly in my bag collection. And this is what I'm adding on this end of year. I'm forever grateful to my family. And I don't know, it's like so cute and I'm forever grateful. I'm so happy. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're happy also with your gifts. I love this bag. Like, this is such a cool one. I have a small one. Now I have a mini one, they call it. This is such an easy bag to wear. It's a crossbody, long crossbody. It will fit everything. And I believe my phone on this one fits inside, so which is a great news, kind of, even if I always have my phone in the end. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you for another video very soon. Consider subscribing. Don't quit this video without clicking on the subscribe button and like the thumbs up, of course. I'll see you soon. Gros bisous.